Okay, we're gonna see how much hang time we can get with my potato cannon with the 200,000 volt stun gun on it. The potato's already in there, it's nice and airtight. Just to show again, there's the igniter. So we're gonna go for some hang time. That might have been actually a little too much. And I have my son's busted up iPod. The counter is at 0. And then I'll count it off as we go. Okay, so we're ready. And 3, 2, 1. We're at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It just hit. That was a good one. Almost 11 seconds. It's about 10 and a half. There's the timer. And then of course you can go from the count. And then I got my expert potato retrievalist coming back right now.
Busted up potato!